Alright, so we'll do table for you. Table till 8.
Yeah.
5 8 ja.
40.
6 9 ja.
54.
7 4 ja.
7. 28.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 6 ja.
48.
6 9 ja.
Wait, what did you say?
6 9 ja.
54.
9 9 ja.
And 81.
Okay. Okay. So, who has joined online? Is that you, Kavi? Kavi, can you hear me okay? Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are
Good
you?
evening. I'm good, good. How was your trip?
Great, great.
Good.
I went really
All
well.
right.
Did this guy tell you?
Yeah, I saw your Facebook photos also.
Oh, okay, okay.
All right.
So, last week no homework.
No,
right?
I think I did not give you
Yeah, I
homework.
did not
That,
give.
that's okay. Because we were doing multiplication in the class. We did a lot of multiplication in the class. So,
Okay.
if I miss any homework, I will give them more this time. But
Yeah. Because
Okay.
he has enough time.
Yeah, correct.
I mean, he doesn't have any other classes also.
Sure. Okay. All right. So, yeah. So, who has joined? Is that you, Kavi?
36. Baby.
Hello, Sunita. Hello, Kaniska. Can you guys hear me okay? Here is Kavi. Hey, Kavi, how are you?
Good.
Are you coming to the class or you'll be joining online only?
Joining online.
Joining online? Okay, not a problem. All right. So yeah. So it'll be on video so that yeah, cool. So we are checking tables right now. So you told tables, but
Good guy.
same old thing. You are making me sleep. I will say 8 6 and then you will say okay 8 6 48. That is how I want it to come. Okay, so it has to come faster. All right. Yeah. So since Kavi's audio is on, let's see if Kavi remembers tables now.
I can do table of 2.
Table of 2, 2 5 ja.
2.
2 5 ja. 2 times 5.
10.
2 times 9.
18.
2 times 7. Without looking at the notebook. 2 times 7. That's the game. 2 times 7 is how much?
14.
14. 2 times 6 is how much?
12.
Very nice. So Kavi, this is, don't treat this like something that you are studying, okay? Treat this like a fun, okay? Like everybody who sings song, do you put effort for learning song? No, you just enjoy the song. Likewise, I would want you to enjoy the tables also, okay? Only 5 minutes every day. So you did okay with table of 2, okay? I want you to practice table of 2 and table of 3, okay? We'll not go to 4 very soon. Let's do table of 2 and 3 before next class, okay? Every day only 5 minutes. Once you memorize it, take the notebook, give it to daddy, mommy, anybody in the family, and say, okay, ask me questions, and see how quickly you are going to answer them. Okay. If you are able to do it faster, that means you did a good job. If you are taking time, that means you have to practice a little more. Okay. So keep doing it, and then we'll have more fun. Okay. All right. So let's go to Sohita. Kavi, you might want to go on mute. You can unmute yourself when you're talking. Okay? Yeah. Good. Sohita, ready?
Yes.
Table till
8.
8. 5 8 ja.
40.
4 9 ja.
36.
6 7 ja.
42.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 7 ja.
54.
56.
56.
Yes. 7 9 ja.
63.
3 7 ja. 3 7 ja.
41.
4 8 ja.
Huh?
4 8 ja.
32.
Good job. So you know where you got stuck, Sohita, and as I keep saying that if you memorize tables, you should memorize in such a way that if somebody says 9 9 is 81, 6 9 is 54, 7 5 is 35, 8 8 is 64, 7 9 is 63. Likewise, it should come the same way or at the same speed. Like if I ask you what is your name, you will say Sohita. Do you think about it? No, you say it immediately. Likewise, okay. So it's for everybody. Keep memorizing tables. We don't have to go to tables beyond 20, and for doing tables till 20, we will do it till you guys are in 7th grade. Okay. So we have a lot of time. There is no hurry. We'll make sure that in next 4 to 6 months, everybody in the class learns table till at least 8 to 9. Okay? And 8 to 9 when I say, I'm saying with perfection, with speed, both. Okay? Alright. Let's look at Yogan. Yogan, ready? Unmute yourself, beta. Yogan.
Yeah.
Table till
6.
5 9 ja.
I think it's 45.
3 7 ja.
41.
4 9 ja.
36.
5 8 ja.
40.
6 8 ja. 48. So here's the thing, okay? You have to play. You have to literally play with the tables, okay? That's the only way you all will memorize, okay? So here's the thing. I will give you guys one demo real quick, okay? Let's say if I'm memorizing table of 7 and I have the table of 7 written in front of me, okay? Let's say this has table of 7 written in, okay? I will say, read this. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. I read this. Now what I'll do, I'll just cover this with my hand. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is, oh, I forgot. Okay, 7 4 is 28, 7 4 is 28, 7 4 is 28. Okay, then cover it. 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28, 7 5 35. So keep testing yourself. When you're trying to memorize, see, you guys are more intelligent than me. I can guarantee that. But then, that intelligence is not enough. You still have to do hard work. That's what will come with practice. Okay? So, like I was showing you guys that, okay, I have table written here. I'm reading the table one by one. Then I cover it and say, okay, what do I remember? 47, 77, 47. And say, talk as if you can hear it yourself. So that is how you will do it 2 3 times. Okay, now I think I memorized. Okay, 7 1 7, 7 2 14. I'm just giving an example of 7, okay? After you do 2 3 times and then you're confident and you're bored, you take this to your somebody in the family and say, okay, ask me questions. And then ask you a random question like the way I was asking. And if you are able to answer very quickly, that means you've memorized. If you could not, no problem. Say, okay, fine, I'll do one more time. Not today, I'm tired today, I'll do it tomorrow. Do same exercise for 5 minutes. Okay? The reason why I keep on forcing or insisting on you guys to learn tables is because if you learn tables the way, okay, let's say Sohita or Yug, you guys want to test me? Do you want to see how much your table a teacher knows?
30 times
Yes.
5.
Don't ask stupid questions. People will laugh at you. I said table till 20. You'll say, okay, 1 million times 5. That is a nonsensical question.
Billion times 5.
What is that?
Billion times 5.
Okay. You are not literate. I'll not let you ask questions. Okay,
Okay,
Sohita, please go ahead, Sohita.
20 times 9.
180.
39.
I said table till 20, okay? I'm not genius to know all the tables, okay? Table till 20, that's what I will make you guys learn.
18 times 6.
18 times 6, 94. Sorry, 18 times 6, 104, my bad. Yeah,
See you.
yeah. That means I need to practice as well. Okay,
16 times 9.
144. So, okay, so why I was asking you guys to ask me question, because this is the speed at which I would want you guys to give the answer. And again, you guys found that, okay, 18 times 6, I gave a wrong answer. 18 times 6 is 108. And that is because I have not been memorizing table. That means I need to memorize again. Okay. So, same thing, I want everybody to practice for 5 minutes every day. Okay. And that table will help you with multiplication, division, percentage calculation, interest calculation, whatnot. Okay. Lot of stuff. Alright. So that was the thing for you guys to be aware. Let's see Kanishka, how much you have memorized? Table till?
4.
4. 3 6 0.
18.
18. Okay. 4 4 0.
12.
Nope. 16. I heard 16. Yep. 4 4 0 16. 3 8 0. I come to you.
24.
Good job. So yeah. So there are couple of things. So I know that you are memorizing tables, but you have to memorize a little bit more. You have to play with the tables. Unless you play with the tables, it will not be fun. Okay. Let's see. There is one more kid in the class who was whispering when I was asking you a question. Let's see. Ranveer, table till 3 9 0.
27.
2 9 0.
18. 18.
3 6 0.
18.
3 8 0.
24.
nice. 2 7 ja.
14,
3 9 ja.
27,
So I'll tell you one thing. I liked what you did just now. And when I was asking you questions, you had the table right in front of you. But what did you do? You just turned it upside down because you did not want to see it. You wanted to trust your memory, correct? That's a good thing. See, we all need to have the right attitude. I like this attitude, okay? When you are trying to be honest to yourself and say, okay, fine. If I make a mistake, it's okay, right? Have I ever gone mad with anybody for making a mistake? No.
yeah.
I go mad when you don't pay attention in the class and for the thing that you're doing right now. I say we'll play with math. That doesn't mean we'll play in the math class. Can you sit down properly? I don't think you lost a diamond, right? It's okay. It's fine. Sit down. Sit down. Leave that, I said. I said leave that. I said leave that. You can collect it after the class also. Okay? Nothing will go wrong. Alright. So let's start learning something. So I heard everybody talking about tables. I will not say I'm very happy. I'm okay. Why? Because everybody was doing a lot of counting. Everybody was taking time. Most of you. Right? I want you guys to practice a little bit more so that I can be happier. Okay? Yeah? Do you guys want me to be happy or you want me to be upset?
Happy.
Happy. So that means please practice table for 5 minutes every day. Okay? Yug, stop playing with whatever you are doing. I don't know whether my communication skill is bad or your ear needs cleaning. Okay, alright. So leave this aside. Now today we are going to learn about something which is very, very important for us. Do you guys know what is so important for us as student or as teacher?
What?
What is very important for us? There's only one thing which is very, very important. Yep, Kanishka, tell me what is that thing? Guys,
It is
don't.
learning how to I forgot.
You forgot? There's nothing to remember. It is only to understand. There's only one thing, there's only one thing that you waste always. And that is called time. Time is the most important thing. Now let's look at some examples. Why is time so important? If I say that today we'll have a 4-hour class,
I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that.
so if I say we'll have 4-hour class, then you will be super scared that then we cannot have dinner today. That means I will not be able to sleep also. Likewise, Ranveer, I would want you to stay stable because something will fall, something might break. Okay? Now, if imagine this thing, if you are in the class, next 1 hour, I don't teach you guys anything, you guys don't pay attention to that, to whatever I teach, what are we wasting?
Time.
Time. And if you waste time, what happens? You don't get it back. Once the clock moves the needle, it doesn't go back. Meaning that is a lost time that is lost. Okay? So time is what is very important for all of us, be it for you guys as student, be it for me as a teacher. Okay? So that's why we want to learn what is time and how do we measure time. If I'm talking about wasting 2 minutes versus wasting 2 hours, which one you want to choose?
2 minutes.
Which one is okay to waste? 2 minutes or 2 hours?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay? So my request to you all would be don't waste more than 2 minutes. Okay? Because you guys only told me, I did not tell anything, that wasting a lot of time is not a good idea. Waste little bit time is fine. Yeah. So how do we say which one is little bit, which one is more, which one is even more? And that you will know only when you are able to measure the time. Okay. How do you measure time?
You can look at the clock.
How do you measure time? If I say 2 kilogram time, is that a good idea?
No, that's for weight.
No.
That's for weight.
How do you measure time? That's what I'm trying to understand.
Hours, minutes,
Okay.
hours,
Slow. Make your brain work. Make sure everybody is able to think.
hour.
Okay, you gave one example. Wait there. Let's see what everybody knows. If I say 2 meters, 2 meter of time.
No.
No?
No, it's 2 minutes, 2 seconds, or 2 hours.
Okay, so what are the units that you guys are aware of? How do you measure time? Yeah, Kavi, tell me.
That won't work.
So, how do you measure time? I'm just trying to learn from you guys.
Seconds, minutes, hours.
That's smart.
I
How do you
You
measure
can
time?
have seconds in time, minutes in time, and hours.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Are we here to argue or are we here to learn? That's my question to you. So focus on learning, okay? Because if you are arguing, what are you wasting? Time. Don't argue. So I heard minute, hour, seconds. What else?
Days.
Let people answer on the screen as well. Kanishka, anything else that you use for measuring time? Apart from minutes, seconds and hours?
By using clock.
No, clock is fine. But what other unit? Like second, minute and hour? Let's see what Yogan wants to say. I'll come to you. I heard you. Yeah, Yogan. Yogan, you're talking to the mute button, not to me.
I think one is millisecond.
Okay. Milliseconds. Okay, let's see what Sohita says. Yeah, I'll come to you as well.
Days, months, and years.
Okay, how about you?
Nanoseconds.
Nanoseconds. If I say go from here to my neighbor's house in 2 nanoseconds, can you do it? That's too small a unit. So let's
Then 1 decade.
1 decade. You'll take 1 decade to go to my neighbor's house. Even snails will beat you 5 times in 2 minutes. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Days, weeks, years. Days, weeks, and years, and
Okay,
centuries.
Okay. So let's talk about simple things. Your teacher is a very simple guy.
Okay, then days.
You-
My teacher's a girl.
I'm not a girl. Okay. So, anyways, coming back to Sohita, you were saying something. So, based on whatever you guys told me, I'm writing it down. Sit down. Sit down. You're trying to run against time. Don't run. It's okay. Okay. So, here are the things that I heard from you guys. Minutes,
Nanoseconds.
seconds. I will say nanoseconds, milliseconds, decaseconds. Hold it. That is just a, like making it even smaller. Okay, so let's not go there. Let's look at the basic unit first, and then we'll come to all the interesting stuff that you guys are sharing. So let me do that in a sequence, and let's see. The smallest unit of time is second. Tuck. 1 second. Done.
1,
1. Tuck.
2,
Tuck.
3,
Tuck. Tuck. 4 seconds.
5.
Yeah?
I'm just watching myself. Second.
No, I can do the honor if you want me to.
No.
Okay. So no, shh. Calm down. So you take a small breath, 1 second is gone.
What?
You blink your eyes once, 1 second is gone.
You punch yourself 500.
Don't talk nonsense. No, I'm talking to you. Your name is getting recorded in the video that will go on YouTube. If people start finding out who is Yug, They'll come hunting for you.
I don't.
So don't keep on making the same mistake again and again. So what I'm saying is, 1 second is a very, very small time, okay? Even if I have to say one sentence, even for the smallest sentence, I will consume 10 to 15 seconds. That's how small a second is. Now, next one is minute. Do you guys know how many seconds make a minute? Not you. Yes, let's see what Kavi says.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. You
60
can
seconds makes a minute.
60 seconds makes a minute. Kanishka, you know 60 seconds make a minute? Yeah? How many songs you can play in 1 minute?
One, probably 1.5.
One.
Can you play one song in a minute?
No, 1.5.
Only 1.5 song.
In a minute?
Half of a song. 2 songs. Because one of the songs only.
So you guys are, see, make sure that you guys are putting your brain to task. Meaning, make sure your brain is also working. Okay? If you make your brain sleep in the bright sunlight, then there's a problem. 1 minute, 2 songs in a minute. Tell me who's that singer who sings 2 songs in a minute?
Me.
You're not a singer. I can guarantee that.
I'm a singer.
Michael
You're a singer?
Jordan.
No, so again, coming back.
Jordan.
Shh, don't waste time. That's what we're learning. Okay, so every song after the class, go and find out a song in your phone, daddy's phone, mommy's phone, laptop, iPad, wherever. Okay, this guy is playing a song. Don't play a song right now, beta. So, if you see the length of a song, mostly the songs they last for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, that's the average time. Okay, so you cannot say tuck, 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 tuck 60 times and you can finish the song. No, you cannot. 1 minute is still a very small time, very little time. Okay. I mean, the music itself will take 30-40 seconds before the singer starts actually. So 1 minute is too little time to finish the song. Yes, Kanishka.
What if you just do like
Another song.
No.
a second song, like 1 second song?
That will not be a song. That will be 1 second will be tuck, done. You cannot sing anything. You cannot even say one word properly.
Wow.
Alright, let's come back. Guys, today's class is for time. And what you are wasting right now? Time. Sit down properly, otherwise my laptop will fall off, and then my boss will come chasing me, okay? Alright, so now what we learned with all the discussion that we've done so far, 60 times that tuck makes a minute. Meaning 60 seconds make a minute. Kanishka, don't do that better. Okay? 60 seconds if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ranveer, I said sit down. 7, 8, 9, 10. If I count till 60 with the same speed, that will be 1 minute. Now, this class is for how many days?
0 days. 1 day.
Soita,
1 day.
What?
put your brain to task.
So you said how
Soita, don't do that.
how
because-
many
okay.
days is this class?
I said, calm down first. Take a deep breath whenever you get distracted or get super excited. Close your eyes. Settle down. Now, the question is this. This class is for how many days? Once I start the class, how many days it goes for?
0.
0 days. Then what exactly it goes for? Yes, Kanishka. How long you are in the class every time you join?
1 hour.
Tell me, Kanishka, you were saying something.
1 hour.
It is. What was the question?
The question was, every time you guys come to the class, you are coming to the class for what duration? I heard you.
An
Can you
hour.
stop poking for no reason?
It is It is just a
1 hour. That's-
15 minutes.
1 hour, mostly 1 hour, okay? Unless you guys want to spend more time learning math, okay? But mostly the class is for 1 hour, okay? Kavi, is that the answer for you? You're talking to the mute button, Kavi. I cannot hear you.
We're almost like in this class for 50 to 60 minutes or something.
60 minutes. So our class is for 1 hour every time we meet.
Yeah.
So
And-
that's basically 60 minutes.
That is 60 minutes.
But what about 2 hours? And 60 minutes is 600.
And what are you wasting right now?
I
Don't do that. So can there be a better coordination between you and me? How? God will come and do it, or you will try putting some effort from your side? No, I don't like that attitude. You have to be very serious when we are trying to learn something. No, we are not fooling around in the class. Trust me. We are not here for fooling around. Can I say it in a better way? No, you get this fixed sooner than later. Otherwise, I'll drop you to your home tonight and I'll give 1 hour suffering that I'm having because of you in the class. You are wasting everybody's time. Don't do that. Get serious before it gets late. Okay. So, what did we learn? The smallest unit is a second. Every second is like tuck, done. 1 second is tuck,
Like,
tuck, done. There is no discussion needed. Sit down.
a second, some 1 plus 1,000.
You are trying to waste so many seconds. Don't do that. Okay? So, 60 seconds make a minute. Likewise, 60 minutes make 1 hour. So, when we are in the class, you can assume that we are every day, we are meeting for 60 minutes or 1 hour. Clear? If I say that we will meet for 1 minute, how many seconds we are meeting for?
60.
60 minutes. Yeah?
60 minutes?
If you keep quiet, my brain will also work. Because of you, a lot of people will go mad and I'll be one of the victims. Okay? Don't do that. Now, I'm saying, if I say we are meeting in the class for 1 hour, how many minutes we are meeting for?
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
If I say we are meeting in the class for 1 minute, how many seconds we are meeting for?
60 seconds.
No.
60 seconds.
So, again, make sure that you are paying attention to the question before you try answering it. If I say, we are going to have the class for 5 minutes, how many seconds we are going to meet for?
300 seconds.
What is that? Sweet.
300 seconds.
Okay, yeah, Yogan, what is your answer?
Never mind.
Okay,
600 seconds.
so don't give me answer in air. I said if you are going to meet in the class for 5 minutes, how many seconds that will be? What did you say? 600 seconds. That means either you did wrong calculation or you did not hear the question itself. Yeah? So, now if I say we will meet for 10 minutes, how many seconds we are talking about? If I plan to make you guys very happy on a day, saying okay, we'll meet only for 10 minutes. How many seconds I'm talking about? Yes, Sohita, tell me.
600 seconds.
Yes, Kavi, tell me.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Same thing, it's okay. You can still say the same thing, that's okay. Because your answer and Sohita's answer have no linkage. You can still say the same thing, okay? That's fine, perfectly fine. Okay? Nobody is stealing your answer for sure. Okay? Alright. Now, shh. You can, Ranveer. So whatever you are doing, This is a very tiring job. Very tiring job. Okay?
200 is mine.
No, that is not right. I will let you wait for some more time till you memorize the table of 6 and then you'll be able to do it very quickly. Okay? So don't worry about it. We have time. Now, what is that we are learning here? We learned that 1 minute has 60 seconds. Yeah? Everybody learned that? If I said 2 minutes, how many seconds I am talking about? 60 into 2.
So 120.
Yeah.
120.
So I'm not interested in the answer right now. I'm just telling you guys how are we arriving at that. Now 16 to 2, if it is 120, it's okay. If 16 to 2 is 240, that is also okay. I'm not really worried about that part, okay? I will let you guys do the calculation. But what I'm saying is, if you know how many seconds you have in a minute, if somebody says, find out how many seconds I have in 15 minutes, you will say it is 60 into 15. Now whether this is 900 or 1500, I don't really need to worry about right now. At least you should know how will you calculate. Okay? What is the approach for calculating it? How much the answer is, that you guys can always find. Okay? So now this we learned about second, minute and hour. What comes next? After hour. Don't go backward. You are going in history. Don't go to Mohenjo-daro, okay? I'm talking about current time.
After hour, it's day.
After hours, you have day.
Weeks.
Wait, hold it there. Go slow.
Decades.
No, you also calm down. Whenever you get distracted, take a deep breath. Sit down. No, it's only me who has to stand up, not you guys. How do you make a day?
Huh?
How do you complete a day? After how many hours?
24 hours.
20.
Sleep for 24 hours.
What is that?
Sleep for 24 hours.
You can sleep for 48 hours also. That's okay.
I sleep for 9 hours.
Okay, that's okay.
9 times.
No, so come back to this one. Let's talk things which are important, which has some meaning to it. Not like the things which will break the laptop or the iPad. Don't keep shaking it. Now, one day is made of 24 hours. Meaning, now look at the watch.
Okay?
Look at the watch. When the small needle makes, when the large needle, you want to get inside my watch? Sit there.
So they can see.
You can't see, that's okay, that's fine. That's fine. What I'm saying is, in the watch, if you look at any watch, what happened? There are two needles, one small and one big.
So
The small needle is, okay, let me,
the hour hand and the minute hand. There's a second hand too sometimes.
your smartness is of no use right now. Can you sit down? Can you sit down, please?
Let's see.
Can you sit down? See, whatever I'm trying to teach, first get that and then we'll add on the top of that. You are trying to kill the base information and then trying to show your expertise. That is of no use. And trust me, I will drive you home one day. I can tell you that, okay? One day I will take you home in my own car. I'll tell mommy that, okay, please make tea for me. We'll have tea and we'll talk. Okay? No, you need that. One day you need that actually. You are getting there very quickly. Now, this is the watch. If you look at any watch, you will see that there is a small needle and there is a big needle. Yeah? Have you guys seen that? And you would have seen that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are numbers written on the watch always. Okay? So these numbers are meant for this small needle. Okay? When the small needle moves by one place, that is 1 hour. So that 60-minute thing is this small needle. So this one is so if you look at the two needles, this is the minute needle. When it completes one circle, this becomes 60 minutes. When the small needle moves by one place, it is 1 hour. Both are same. So the amount of time the large needle takes for completing one circle and the amount of time the small needle takes for moving one place are the same. If you're talking in minutes, that is 60. If you're talking in hour, that is 1. Yep. Yugan is confused. You're showing thumbs down. Is that clear?
Yeah. 12 hours.
Yep. Okay. So don't play with emojis, okay? If I see that many flying emojis, I get.
Emojis, show me.
No, sit down. Yeah. Everybody turn on your videos. Kaniska, don't play with emoji, beta. Emojis get me distracted. Don't do that.
I love emojis.
You love everything that is stupid. Yeah? That's a very standard statement. So if you don't want to get that blame, please fix the problems. Okay, alright. So now we have seen what is a second, what is a minute, and what is an hour, and how 24 hours make a day. Meaning, from the morning you wake up today to the morning next day, that is 1 day. And you have this many hours between 2 consecutive days. Yeah. So today 6 o'clock versus tomorrow 6 o'clock. In between that, you will have 24 hours. Meaning, if you're looking at the watch, this small needle would have moved 24 places. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then one more circle. So don't worry about the watch right now. What I'm saying is, 24 hours make a day. 60 minutes make an hour. 60 seconds make a minute. Up to this much clear? Now, after day, what do you get?
A week.
Week.
And that's 7 days.
So, when you put, yep, yes, Kavi,
We get a week.
week. Is this week and this one, or is this one? Which one is the week we are talking
The
about?
one that has 2 E's, not
Not
E
2
and
E's, yeah. And why this week I am putting here? That if you don't pay attention to what we are learning in the class, your math will become weak.
reading.
Okay? So, yeah. So now comes the week. How do you get a week, Kavi? How do you get a week? Kavi, that's a question for you. You have raised your hand.
Time.
I was actually going to say that a week is basically you're pressing 24/7 times.
That's a very difficult calculation for somebody old like
So
me.
7 days.
It's as simple as 7 days. Yeah. See, if I say that, okay, how many seconds are in a week, that will be a fun calculation. I don't want to do that right now. I'm saying let's look at a simple thing. What makes what? Okay? Just flick of my finger is 1 second. Just blink of my eye is 1 second. Just opening my mouth is 1 second. Yeah? So 60 of that makes a minute. 60 minutes make an hour. 24 hours make a day. 7 days make a week. What comes after week, Kaniska? Kaniska?
I'm not.
Ah. Okay. Month. Now you tell me how do you get a month?
You get
By 30
30 days.
30 days?
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
Can I tell you how many hours? Like, 7.
No, you are just trying to waste your money. Time.
It's a
You are trying to
waste
waste your
of
money. I am not interested in that. Please. Your time might not be precious, mine is. Okay? You can keep on wasting your time. I don't want to waste mine. Now, how many days are in a month?
30 days.
30 days. Now somebody tell me why January has 31 days?
I
Yep.
think because January is special and nobody likes February
Uh-huh.
because it's a day when you're born on that day. If you're born on February 20.
Yeah, Kaniska, tell me. I'm hearing a lot of blabber which doesn't make any sense to me, but it's okay.
Wait, what was it?
I was asking, see, you guys told me that 30 days make a month. 30 days make a month. But I had a question. I have seen different months, like January 31 days, February sometimes 28, sometimes 29, March 31 days, April 30 days.
It's a leap day.
January is like this. January is 31 days, and then like January, February is like this, like
Yeah.
That's how I
So,
used to do it.
so coming back to a more meaningful discussion.
And
Kariska.
it is a leap day.
No, so let's keep that thing aside. There's nothing called leap day. There's something called leap year. We will talk about that. Let's not worry about it right now. Okay. So there are months which have more than 30 days. There are months which have less than 30 days. But many of the days have 30 days. So on average, for the calculation purpose, we always say 1 month has 30 days. Okay.
Yeah.
Without making life complicated.
Yeah.
Yes, Yugan? Yugan, you're talking to? Yeah.
He said many of the days have 30 days.
Many of the months. Ranveer, if you break my laptop, I will come to your house and take your laptop because I need a laptop to work. So please sit down.
Yeah,
Okay.
to the bathroom.
Okay. So yeah, simple thing. 1 month has 30 days. Now what comes after month?
Year.
Year. How do you make a year?
Oh, 365 days.
365 days. What else? 1 year is made of 365 days. But there is one more way to represent a year. Wait, let everybody speak. Kavi, Kaniska, Sohita, Yugan. What is another way of representing a year? Somebody said 1 year has 365 days. Okay, understood. Is there any other way to represent a year? In months?
I think 12 months is 1 year.
12 months. Right, Kavi?
1 month.
12 months. 12. 1, 2. A dozen. Yeah? 12 months. So, like we were... Okay, so let's quickly recap. 60 seconds make a minute.
Yep.
60 minutes make an hour.
Yep.
24 hours make a day.
Yep.
7 days make a week.
Yep.
30 days make a month.
Yep.
And 365 days make a year, or 12 months make a year. Now, Sohita, Kaniska, you made a point saying leap day. There's nothing called leap day, there's something called leap year.
Leap year. I know what leap year means.
Okay, so what does it mean?
It means like it's like in February, like you have
One extra day.
you have one extra day. Well, when you have four years, and then when you have those 4 years, after 4 years, you get like
Okay.
that you have an extra day.
Right. So there is a calculation for that one, but let's not worry about that. Here, for simple calculation purpose or for understanding, every year has 365 days, but there is 1 year after every 4 years which has 366 days. And that is why every year in the month of February you have 28 days. When you hit a leap year, it becomes 29 days. Okay? That is the only month when the one extra day gets added. Yes, Kavi. Kavi, you have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Is it 28 or is it 29?
No, every year, February has 28 days in a month. Okay? Only when you come across a leap year, every 4 years, that is when your February becomes 29 days. Yep, yes, Sohita. Sohita, your screen froze. So Ita, your screen froze, beta. Yeah, tell me now. So, what is that?
So like on Feb, so after 4 years, it always happens and just so you get to live like longer, right?
No, we just have an extra day in a year. That's it. Okay, so coming back to what we have learned so far. This is how you measure time. If you are trying to figure out how many times I blink my eyes, you will count that in second. Okay, in 1 minute, I am blinking my eyes maybe 20 times. So every blink of my eye is taking 3 seconds. So that is when you use seconds. Let's say if I'm jogging, can I jog for 5 hours? No, I don't have that much stamina. I'll probably jog for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Okay.
So you use that unit. Say, okay, my teacher runs for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So let's say, even your parents might say, okay, you're watching TV, only watch for 30 minutes, not more than that. So that is, every minute is 30 seconds and you know how big or small a minute is. Likewise, hours. You go to school not for 10 seconds, you go to school for 8 hours or 7 hours, correct? So every hour is made of 60 minutes and you are spending 7 to 8 hours in the school. Now, how many hours make a day? Now you look at this calculation. Every day has 24 hours. What happens? You are in the school for 8 hours, you sleep for 8 hours, and remaining 8 hours that you have is what you can play with. You use for eating, taking rest, watching TV, playing games, fighting with siblings. Yeah? Or
got no siblings. I have a sibling.
yeah.
He fights
Yep.
with me.
Everybody has raised hand. Yeah, Kaniska, tell me.
What if you build your stamina when you're jogging?
So even if I build my stamina, instead of 15 minutes, I might be able to run for 30 minutes, 35 minutes. I'm still talking in minutes. I will not say that I can run for 3 days. That is just too much.
That is technically
You
possible.
walk like
30 days
for
at
school.
most.
Pretend you're walking from school to home, and that takes 3 hours. Why don't you do that every day, and then you'll build your stamina every day? You take
So,
slow.
okay, so that will be a separate class where we'll talk about building stamina. Right now we're talking about math, so let's focus on math. Yes, Kavi, you're saying something.
You said that a second was 30 seconds. Huh? I mean, you said a minute was 30 seconds.
When did I say so?
On the board?
Where did I say so? A month is 30 days. Even in my dreams, a minute will never have 30 seconds, okay? I'm right now awake 100%.
I'm right now.
Alright. Yep, Yogan, you're saying something.
How many more time do we have until this class is over?
That is a question that I should be asking. Now, if you guys know how to calculate time, what time did you start? Not every question is for you to answer, Yug. I will buy a sellotape which is human friendly. I'll stick on your lips so that only your ears and your brain work. Your mouth is creating a lot of disturbance. Yes. You can tell me, what time did we start the class?
7:15.
7:15. What is the time right now?
8:07.
And the class is for how many hours?
1 hour.
Have we clocked 1 hour already?
Yes.
Don't talk like somebody who has not gone to school yet. Yep, you can tell me. Now this is a practical question. This is what we are going to use every day. So we start at 7:15. What time we will clock 1 hour?
8:15.
How many more minutes we have?
7 more minutes.
7 more minutes. This is what you will do with time every day, right? Every time you go to school, you have to reach school at a certain time. And you will calculate, okay, it takes me 10 minutes to reach there. So if my class starts at 7:50, what time will you start? 7:35. So that you can reach there on time and don't get tardy. Correct?
I never get tardy.
7.
No, you should not get tardy. That's what I'm saying. So you will never get tardy only if you manage your time well. And how will you manage your time well? When you know what time means. If you understand the time well, you will plan it well and you will never get tardy. Yes, Kavi.
I know my school starts. I know my school starts at 8 or 8 or a little bit before 8. I'm 7, but so that's why I get ready before that time.
Right. So you have to always plan. See, time is something that you deal with every day. Every day. Let's say the class starts at 7:15 and you come join the link at 9:25. What will you do? You need to understand the time very well. That is how you can manage it well. Yes, Kanishka, you had a question? No? Sorita, you had a question, beta?
What?
Yep.
What?
What?
If you got late for 1 hour late. I mean early.
So then you can be as early as possible. The school starts at 8 o'clock. What if you reach school at 6:30 in the morning? What will happen?
I go to 6.
You will just wait there. You'll have fun. Yeah? And you'll be scared also. It might be dark. So you have to know the time. You have to know the time well. Unless I say the class is over, nobody is standing up. There has to be some discipline to be followed. That's the only way you can learn, okay? If the class starts at 7:15 and I start the class at 7:35, that is called indiscipline on my part, right? Same way it applies for you guys also. It's not only about the teacher being disciplined, the students have to be disciplined as well. Yep. Yes, Kavi.
But if you get ready before school time, I mean after school, then there would be no use to go to school because school.
So now I know you guys have a lot of creative ideas that comes to your mind. But unfortunately that is out of syllabus. We are not talking about that. We are only talking about mathematical part of it. So let's do a quick recap. What all we learned? We learned about seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. Now, apart from this, lot of creative, fancy, funky ideas came. Nanoseconds, microseconds. Those are not wrong answers. But you will talk about that when we go into more depth of math. You have to first learn what a second means, what a minute means, what an hour means. And once you learn the further fraction of second, that is when you will talk about nanoseconds. Now let me give you guys a problem. If I say that you have to memorize your table in 5 nanoseconds, 5 nanoseconds. You know what? How much time I'm talking about? 1 nanosecond is 1 second divided by this much.
You almost have to do it so fast.
There's nothing called fast. You are not even given time to blink your eyes. This is, let's look at what we're talking about. 1 billionth portion of a second. Imagine how super quick that would be. This is probably faster than the speed of light. Yeah? So, this is called nanosecond. Somebody said nanosecond, that's why I'm just putting it here. Okay? Somebody said microsecond. What is a microsecond?
Is this something?
1 by 1000.
Okay.
Sorry, this is millisecond. What is a microsecond? 1 by 1 million.
Yeah.
Okay? Now I will never talk in micro and nanoseconds with you guys. If I say that I have given a problem, solve that in 200 microseconds, you cannot solve it. As simple as that. Because 200 microseconds is also faster than any plane. Plane's
speed of
speed.
light.
Okay?
It's about like speed of light.
No, you just heard one word, don't play with that. That is not all about the knowledge that you need to acquire. So, before I let you guys go, one request to everybody, make sure that everybody is spending 5 minutes to memorize tables, and once you memorize it every day, take it to your parents, show them, ask them to ask you questions. Unless you do that, your comfort with table, your speed with table, your accuracy with table will not improve. It's okay, you guys are giving me answer, taking time, thinking, counting, calculating, but that is not the way you have to memorize tables, okay? It has to be memorized. Like, I don't have to think, okay, if somebody says, what is your name? I'll say, my name is Virendra Kumar. No. My name is Virendra Kumar. As simple as that. Yes, you can.
I already do tables every day.
Yeah, so I'm saying you're doing every day. I'm saying we have to practice it more, do that in a more playful way so that the answers are coming very quick, like blink of a second. Okay? Blink of your eyes. That's how it has to be, and it has to be accurate. That is what will help you do your calculation much faster. If you really want to be very smart with your mathematical calculations, tables are the key. Okay? And then I will send you guys some assignment. Take help from your parents to get it printed out, and then finish it. What is going on? Sit down. No, sit down. I'll let you go. Just okay. We are almost done. So practice tables and do the assignment. Okay. I'll send the assignment. If I don't send the assignment today, remind me tomorrow. Okay. I'll try sending it before I go to bed. Before I go to bed. Okay. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow. See you guys next week.
Bye, sir.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, bye bye.